My name is Belle Panati, and I will be talking about my Pounder social media plan. So, starting with their business description, they are known as a family-friendly bar and grill. They're known for their beer on tap. Pounders is actually the only restaurant in Aberdeen that has this many beers on tap. They specialize in promotions and seasonal menus, so they have promotions going every single day of the week. They are located on 6th Street, which is a great location because it's like a main street. Every store is on that. You pass it every day to get to like a Walmart or Target. So for the SWOT analysis, their strengths are their 40 plus craft beers on tap, their family-friendly atmosphere, their promotions and happy hour, their Bloody Mary mix, and their location. So once again, they're the only restaurant in Aberdeen that has this many beers on tap. Their family-friendly atmosphere is great because there are other restaurants that are competitors for Pounders that don't offer family seating. It's only a bar. Their promotions and happy hour, their promotions are every single day. So like on Tuesday, kids eat free, and their happy hours Monday through Friday from 4 to 6 p.m. Their Bloody Mary mix is a strength for the reason that they make their own Bloody Mary mix, which is why it's so popular because it's freshly made, and they do 2 promotions for it during the week because it is so popular. So Sundays it's a build your own Bloody Mary, and then Saturdays it's $4 Bloody Marys. And then their location is a strength because once again you have to pass by every single day and you see it to get where you pass it every day to get where you're going and you see it. Their weaknesses is since it is a locally owned restaurant, it's kind of smaller than most chain restaurants, so the seating is kind of limited, which is also a weakness. You can fit a lot of people in there, but you're in tight seating and you can hear every conversation that's going on. Another weakness is you can only dine in or take out. They don't do any delivery options or DoorDash options, which kind of limits their target audience. The service, when they are busy, it takes forever to get seated. There's no guarantee that you can get seated. So their service is kind of slower on their busier nights, but it's to be expected. Their social media advertising is non-existent. That is one of their weaknesses. If they advertise their promotions more, I feel like they could get out there and reach all their target audiences. Opportunities, of course, is delivery and DoorDash because there's always those people that want food delivered to their house or to their work instead of going out for dinner or lunch. So that would be a great opportunity. Branching out into larger towns, if they were to open up Pounders in Sioux Falls, it would do twice as good as the one in Aberdeen because it is a bigger city. Seating, one of their opportunities for seating is the outside area. They have it open during summer, which is great, but if they were to put up a net for summer, they could block out all the mosquitoes. And then during the winter, they could put heaters out there so it would open up more seating so more people could eat dinner at night. Their threats are Buffalo Wild Wings, the Circus, and Loggers Inn. Buffalo Wild Wings is probably their number one threat because it is the exact same as Pounders. The only thing that I would say that Pounders has an advantage of against these restaurants, Buffalo Wild Wings, the Circus, and Loggers Inn, is their unique menu. They have some very out there dinners that are actually really good, like mac and cheese sandwich. It's really good. Target market would be residents of Aberdeen, South Dakota, people of all ages, but mainly 21 to 50, sports lovers because they are always playing sports games on the 18 TVs that they have there. Families, because they're a family-friendly restaurant. They want those families to come in. That's why they have a kids eat free on Tuesdays. And college students, they have a lot of happy hours and promotions that really help college students out because they know they don't have the money to be spending on food like this. So that's one of their target markets. Survey results analysis. So all 20 people said they would return again, and all 20 people said they would refer to a friend, which is great, which means that Pounders is hitting their target market. They're doing what they need to be. They're satisfying all their customers. Pounders on social media, 17 people said that they didn't see any social media. They didn't see anything for Pounders on social media. So that means that they are not reaching their goal of social media targets. However, the other 3 people said that they saw it on Facebook, but they were on the older spectrum, so it could have been later posts. All 20 people said that they liked their food, but 18 people said that Pounders food was better than the service or the atmosphere. The other 2 said it was the atmosphere. The manager agrees with demographic. They are shooting for the ages 21 to 50, and they are targeting Aberdeen, South Dakota residents. They want everyone to come because it is open to everybody, so they're really targeting everybody. Current online presence. Instagram is a tough one. Instagram, it says that they have 3 followers and 8 posts. And they are all on the same day, November 10th of 2020. So they're not even current posts. Other than that, there have been no recent activity for Instagram. However, Facebook, on the other hand, is all current. They are posting about Festival of Trees, which invites you to walk around, look at all the trees, enter into a raffle. Veterans Day, they posted about Veterans Day, just like a happy Veterans Day. Thank you to everyone who serves. And then they also posted about the snow day. So they posted a photo of icicles hanging down from Pounders' roof, and they are basically saying, come on in, like, ice cold beers on this icy day. Like, they're using the weather to interact with their customers. So this was my social media plan for Facebook. Basically, no posting on Saturdays because Saturdays are the worst days to post. And then posting about bingo and reminders of bingo really hits that older audience that we're looking for because it's something that they can do and not have to worry about crowds or anything like that. So Saturday has the lowest amount of engagement, which is why you don't post on Saturdays. But the best days to post are Monday through Friday at 10 a.m. and noon. So that's when people are most active on Facebook. The best things to post about are special events to target demographic. We talked about that. Bingo to target the older generation, which is what draws everybody, the different demographics in. This is my current social media plan for Instagram. Talking about happy hour and hiring servers, and this allows them to put opportunities out there for college students because Instagram really targets the 19 to 25-year-olds, so the people in college. So the happy hours and posting about hiring servers and cooks because jobs are always needed during college. And then once again, not posting on Saturday because there's low engagement. Saturday is the worst days to post. Posting reels and stories on Instagram is going to get the most engagement. So you want to post hiring, blah, 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 this age through this age on Instagram stories. And people are more likely to watch it. The best days to post are Wednesday and Thursday from 10 a.m. to noon. So it's a little bit different than Instagram. Wednesday and Thursday, 10 a.m. to noon is what Instagram has the most engagement for. This is my current social media plan for Twitter. Talking about seasonal items on menus, the Bloody Mary specials, that really targets the middle-aged demographic because Bloody Marys are well known to everybody, but I know my mom loves some Bloody Marys. The best days to post on Twitter are Mondays at noon and Wednesdays at 10 a.m. Once again, you get the highest engagement from these posts at these times. Tweets and videos. Tweets are, you just post something. It doesn't really need the most engagement. You just keep retweeting and people see it. Videos are kind of iffy on Twitter, but I know for businesses it's better to post videos because customers stay longer to watch. Direct messaging and retweeting features is a really cool thing for businesses, especially Twitter, because if you retweet something, everybody who follows that account can see it. So if Pounders were to retweet something about a customer and their satisfaction and how great it was, Pounders can retweet that, and all the customers following Pounders can see that someone heavily praised Pounders, which is a good thing. And that's it.